So WIP is an online marketing agency for independent hotels and small groups. Our primary objective is driving direct revenue to the hotels. And we do websites, we do online advertising, but most of all, it's a lot of connectivity and a lot of technology and an ecosystem that we've built to connect independent hotels onto platforms that are normally only available to either big chains or OTAs. Well, we wanted to automate the system, our billing system, and remove the possible human interaction in the sense of errors possible. We had a rapid growth internationally, and we needed to have something that was going to be smooth and simple. And we wanted a system that was going to integrate with Salesforce and integrate with our systems. So we already had a lot of production flow controls, and we had Salesforce, and I had to seamlessly merge within those two. We went through several options, about 10 different options, and Invoiceit came up on top, and we were very happy we took it. The whole company is cloud-based. Everything we do is cloud-based. We needed an invoicing platform that was cloud-based as well, and a subscription model where we would have a continual service, and we knew there was somebody there that would help us in case something needed tweaking. We have about 1,500 clients to manage, all with different products, and many of them have tailor-made pricing and so forth based on lots of variables and varying factors. So all that had to be developed and integrated into the system, and it had to be integrated into the whole production facility, so all the production personnel would get their regular feeds and would get their regular information of what they had to launch or not. So that's a pretty big project. The implementation was great. I mean, we had so much time allocated to us, and any problems we had, no matter how big and no matter how complex, there was a solution, and the team at Invoiceit found a solution, helped us work out the best practice, best solution. And the fact that it was cloud-based was perfect, because whatever modifications were done, we had them live, or within the hour we could see them change, interact really rapidly. We were underbilling. There was an issue with underbilling, and when we put in Invoiceit, that just cleaned it all up and made it simple. The reporting is improved. The number of man-hours that we're spending gathering reports, gathering data, finding out what are the lost billings due to contracts finishing, all these details has just reduced tremendously, because it's all reports we can run and there is no manual input needed. So the staff are now happier because they can focus on issuing the billings and collecting the money, and not all the work that's around making sure the billings are right, going out, reporting, etc., etc. We're a service company, and service becomes a very, very high criteria for us if we're getting the right service, because we're demanded to give great service. Acertis Cloud and Invoiceit team totally gave us that service, and I would recommend it to anybody, providing you guys keep that service level.